Hey there, folks. I'm Joe Crawford of artlearn.com. Pretty much every day I go to CSSBattle.dev, do the daily target, and record myself doing it. That's what I'm going to do right now. Ho, ho, ho. That's kind of a fun shape. Okay. We got a few different shapes here. The soft lines make me think some interesting stuff. The inclination I have is to create two of these elements and probably a conic background in the background. Conic background, conic gradient. So we'll do the easy part first, but that might make the hard part harder. We'll find out. So blue, 75%, and then the yellow, 0. Let's hide the paragraph tag. And then let's put that into place with background position. I think we might have to set a center of it 100 pixels over, 120, 30, 130 pixels over, and then down, set just 50%. So we, nope, 50, 60. All right, so height-wise, we actually absolutely need a center at 100 pixels, comma, so 120, 30, 40, 140. And then let's make it like 20%. And then 120 pixels tall. Okay, so that's that part. So we just do the flat parts first. All right, now let's create the lemon colored background. And we want two of them. We need a border radius of 1 inch, I think. We're going to move these margins down. And we're going to set, no, we're not going to do that. I was about to say we're going to do margin auto, but we don't really want to do that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Less tall. How about 50, 60, 70? More margin on the sides, 100, 100. And then let's rotate. Rotate 45 degrees. Okay. I think we need to be a little taller. Height is 70. Let's make it 80. All right. And let's increase these margins 8, 9, and less margin here 90, 100. Okay, that's not long enough. So this is too, on the sides, too much. So 80, 70. How about 75? 110. That's close. How about 72? 70 or 68? No, maybe it's 70. 65. 75. 77. 77 is correct. All right, and then the second P, or do a var. Var angle of 45 degrees. And then on the second one, we will set an angle of minus 45 degrees. And a reminder, we could do 0.25 turn. No, that's not right. 0.125 turn. Or negative. Yeah, negative. So that's correct. It's just dumb. Minus 100, 200, 18, 17, 18, 19. Let's see if that's correct. So 0.125 turn would be minus 45 degrees. So let's just go ahead and change it to that. Minus 45 degrees. We could do a calc with that and do set that variable to 1. minify, unit replace, submit, and that's a final answer for today. I mean, obviously, always there's other things that could be tuned. For example, turning that into an ampersand, slapping, removing the final brace, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. And there's probably more even than that. But I like that. It's a good solution. Yeah, going into a weekend, it's been a hard week here. We will continue and survive and strive and do our best because that's what we do. And I hope you continue to do that. Take care of yourself. Take care of everybody else too. And go make a web page, for goodness sake. Isn't the web fun? The web is super fun. All right. Get out of here. Bye.